Hello, it's Robert Burr here at the Rum Wreck Dive Bar with another episode of Rum Minute. Today we're looking at Plantation Xaymaca Special Dry blended aged rum. Presenting an iconic flavor profile of legendary Jamaican pot stills, Xaymaca invokes local history and ancestral culture of the island, the Arawak's land of wood and water. The classic double thumper pot stills of Jamaica, in concert with traditional long fermentation cycles, can produce high ester rums with aromas and flavors of black banana and flambéed pineapple, often described as funky. In particular, aged rums from the venerable John Doerr pot still at Long Pond and the Vendome pot still at Clarendon are among the most desirable and, until recently, the least available on the market. Lighter ester rums are blended with a dose of heavier rums from extended fermentations. The persistence of bold flavors remains notable in Xaymaca's wide-range blend, without being overpowering or intense. After resting in bourbon barrels in Jamaica, the rum is rested for a second maturation of 1 year in cognac barrels. Initial aromas of ripe banana, vanilla, and smoky oak lead to hints of pineapple, brandy, and fine herbs. On the palate, mixed ripe fruit with orange water precede the baked banana notes at mid-palate, with sourdough bread pudding, baking spices, and almond butter fading into the medium warm finish. Xaymaca Special Dry brings genuine classic Jamaican flavor profiles to tropical cocktails. Unlike some special editions, Xaymaca is widely available and quite accessible in price. Plantation Xaymaca took home a gold award at its first Rum XP International Tasting Competition at the Rum Renaissance Festival. At 43% ABV, the 750 milliliter bottle of Plantation Xaymaca Special Dry sells for about $25.